Now that I have assigned channel numbers, I'm going to assign colors to my units. And because I've got channel numbers done in a nicely logical way, it's going to be quicker for me to sort this differently rather than go by position. I'm going to view all, but sort it by channel. That way I get a better overview of what's going on. And this is also where I noticed that I've actually made a mistake in my numbering. Because as you can see, in my logic, channels 1 through 12 should all be the warm, and 13 through 24 should all be cold. And I have got my cold and warm mixed up. So let's quickly fix that. So 1 and 2 are correct, 3 and 4 are not, and 15 and 16 are basically reversed. So let's quickly fix that. I'm going to pick the left one, and that is going to be my number 3, and 3 is going to be 15. It's obviously not that important for this particular exercise, but to make logical sense, we should be sticking to that. So in the 4 opposite is still on the left, so that's correct. Okay, so let's go back into Lightwright, and that makes a bit more sense now. So now I can see I've got my warms up here and my colds here. Now because I've numbered them nicely and now sorted them by these numbers, I can use my brush, option brush, to put in all of the color information by just scraping down up to number 12 in warm. Then I select my Roscoe 61 and brush it in to all the way down to 24. Now for my backlight, I'm going to have a deeper blue and a deeper amber. So let's start with the blue, make that one lead 200. And again, I just select the one that I've written and then brush it in up to number 36. And we'll make this one 204. And I did press enter, 204, enter, highlight it and brush it, and brush it in to number 46. Okay, now my high sides, I'm going to for now all leave open white, so I'll make sure that I use the phrase that we set as our open white or no color in the vocabulary, so that Lightwright recognizes this is open white and gives us the white swatch here. And then I'll brush that in. If I go a little bit too fast, sometimes it skips a line and you can just go back and brush it back in. The bench and tree specials I'll also leave open white. And for the sun we're going to use a nice GAM 410. It's a lovely golden color. And the moon will be more of a silvery E610, and of course the Roby Robin DL4F washes I'll leave open. So going back into my Vectorworks drawing, I now have everything very quickly numbered and colored up.